Hey, what's up, friends and fam of YouTube? Welcome back to Bolts and Boost. So today on the channel, I actually wasn't going to make a video today. I just wanted a nice quiet garage day to myself. Life has been pretty hectic for me in the past couple of weeks, but I decided, there might be some helpful information here for people. As I was going through it, I was asking questions. So first off, I just want to show you guys, I went with some glow shift gauges. That is the Autometer gauge pod that I went with. The bad thing about that gauge pod is you do have to kind of cut up your factory one. Now, I do like the placement of the gauges. I like everything about it, except for the fact to secure it as per instructions properly, you do have to drill holes in the side. It does come with the clips. Make sure that everything is assembled in here before you put those clips in, because they do not come out. For instance, I forgot to put my boost silicone hose on, and I had to cut. Thankfully, this kit came with 4 of them, so I just used the other 2. It comes with double-sided tape. Double-sided tape doesn't really do anything, but I mean, it fits pretty good. It could fit better. Oh, there you go. So there's the other one. I do like it. It doesn't really move. Could definitely improve it if you wanted to, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. The wiring, I just crumpled all up basically so it'll all go through the steering column, and I think I'm going to attach it to the fuse panel that is behind here. Come on, you stinker. There you go. Where are we? Somewhere in there. I got some fuse taps that I'll be using for all of these wires. And then in addition to the silicone hose, at first I was like, where the heck am I going to put this thing? Well, I found a nice hole right beside the pedal. You guys can see it there. So that's where I'm going through, which is nice. I am using the factory grommet. Hopefully I didn't lose the thing. Let me see if I can find that thing. There it is right there. So that's the factory grommet. I just made a hole. I'm going to see if it fits the silicone hose, and if it does, then I'll slam this guy back in. So don't lose it. When you poke it through, it'll likely fall right underneath the brake booster. And yeah, I'm going to see if I can get this through and finish this up. I probably won't finish the wiring today, but wiring is wiring. If you need to, there are instructions in the glow shift boxes. But I just want to hook up the boost, bare minimum. The wiring will be the easy part once everything's all in. So let's see if I can get this in there. All right, she's on. I started the hole in the grommet with a 5/16 drill bit, and it worked out pretty well. So I'll show you guys how that looks. So there it is. And it'll just go back in place like so. So I'm going to run this through the firewall right now and tap into a good source of boost. I'm thinking probably the blow-off valve line, which is usually where I go, but I'm going to see taps right in here, which is perfect. So let's get this done. All right, grommet is in, just like factory. And let's see if I can get a good, she should seal up nice. It's in place. And the silicone hose is snug in the grommet there. So it should be just fine. All right, this is where it is. I'm gonna find the best place to route that guy, and I'm gonna attach it to this blow-off valve vac line right there with the provided T. So it comes with a little, looks like a boost pill, a restrictor pill. I'm gonna see how we're gonna properly wire it up. I'm assuming the gauge is gonna go on this 3rd prong here. All right, so according to these instructions, the 3rd prong does go to the boost gauge. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on. All right, so there she is, all buttoned up. running all the way down there into the factory grommet. You guys can see it there, just underneath that wiring harness right there. Perfect spot. So I did trim just a little bit off. I'm gonna start it now and we're gonna see if I have vacuum. Alrighty, let's try this out. Okay, moment of truth, guys. No, not the wipers. Those work. Ready? Oh, we got vacuum, and it looks like it's good vacuum too. About 15. It's idling a little high right now because it's in warm-up mode, so that's good vacuum. This is the water temp gauge. Haven't hooked it up yet. I gotta measure the hose to get the appropriate adapter for that. And then I'm gonna get a wideband gauge that's either gonna go here or it's gonna go here. Haven't figured that out yet. But at least I got boost. I will be wiring it in. I'm not gonna do it in this video because it's pretty late already. So I'm gonna use my fuse taps that I got off Amazon. I'll show you guys what those are in a sec here, but it's super easy. Just gotta find a ground, obviously, and then all the power is together. I wound it up in this sheath, I guess, the sleeve in layman's terms, and then yeah, should be good to go. So what do you guys think? Pretty easy job, eh? For the most part. The hardest part was configuring this to the old one. Again, I'm not super stoked on fitment, but it's not that overly bad. I hate that I marked it up. I was really hoping that I would keep this thing mint. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to maybe smooth that out because my OCD is gonna kill me on that. Other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. No one will probably notice either if you're not sticking an LED light in there, I guess, but either way, I got some boost now. So that's cool. That's neat. I'm happy. So I probably won't finish the wiring on video. I mean, again, it's pretty easy to wire something up. However, I will show you guys the fuse tap that I got because they're pretty nifty. So let me go show you guys. And I think they're fusible links too. So if a fuse, what the heck was that? Oh my goodness. Okay, this right here, boom. So yeah, they do run their own fuses, I think. Yeah, they do, look. So that's pretty cool. So the gauges will be fused. So that's neat. But that's all I have for you guys today. There's the sensor. I gotta buy the adapter for my hose for the water temp. I actually didn't choose the gauges for this car. Those gauges were actually for my 2JZ GTE IS300. And the water temp gauge was a must in that car because the one that I had in it wasn't working. But, well, here it is in the Evo. So just recycled parts, but they're glow shifts, so they're matching in that gauge pod, and I actually like it, so I think it looks okay. I did not find a video anywhere of like actually like running boost gauge, silicone hose through the firewall, etc. So I wanted to show you guys what I had to do, and this one looks okay. You can tell I'm not like super stoked about it, but it's good. It's not bad. I might make it a little more better in the future to see how much. I don't think it's going to vibrate. Like, I'm tugging on it pretty good. It's not vibrating. So yeah, that's the boost gauge install and the Autometer part number install, the 20024. So again, I wasn't going to do a video today, but I wanted to show you guys because, again, knowledge is power. So please, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Check out other videos on the channel and smash that subscribe button if you like what you see. All right, everybody. Peace.